Hi, it's Liz from Saddlebrook Soapery. Today I'm going to make oatmeal, milk, and honey soap. And I have my oils here. I'm going to put a little bit of this. This is colloidal oatmeal. I already have a couple scoops in the oil, but I'm going to put this last scoop in. So that's going right in the oils. And I plan on doing a little bit of, this is cappuccino. And I'm going to do a little gold mica drizzle on top. And I have a little oats to put on top. I also found this little mat at Joann's. And I thought it had some cute little honeycomb shapes in there. So I bought two, and this is the other one. So I just cut it up into strips because I want that shape just on the side of the soap. So I'll give these oils a spin and we'll get started. Okay, I had to let this set up a little bit to get this honeycomb mold on top here. So I am just going to lay this out. I have one piece that I want for sure to face up. I think it's this one. So I'm just going to lay these pieces down here. I cut it to hopefully fit the length of my mold. Just gently pressing down. I was able to get some pretty good swirls and actually do a drop swirl on this soap, so that was nice. I've been playing around with the temperature of my oils a little bit, and I know a lot of people say they soap at room temperature. So like I master batch my oils, which means you just measure out all your oils into your container, so you melt it and then cool it so it's ready just to go. But soaping at room temperature really made my recipe get hard pretty fast. And then the next thing I tried was warming them up a little bit. I'm gonna have to push these oatmeal pieces in here. So I warmed my oils up a little bit to like 90 degrees, and that helped a little bit. But then one time I warmed them up probably 110, 120-ish, and then let them cool down to 95 to 100 degrees, and that seems to work best for this recipe. So I think it's all just a matter of playing around and seeing what works best for your recipe. So we're just gonna probably have to push in with the chopstick to make some of this stuff stick. I'm back to cut this oatmeal milk and honey soap, and man, it smells great. I've never made oatmeal milk and honey, and I know it's very popular with a lot of people, so thought I'd give it a try. You saw the pour went really nicely. I was talking about how my oils, like I've kind of adjusted the heat so I could get more of a liquid pour instead of things hardening up on me so fast. So I had a nice swirl on top, but I had a design kind of in mind with the honeycomb pattern, so I'll show you that. It turned out pretty cool. So I got some good pictures of the swirl too, and I was looking at it today and I was like, maybe I should have kept that, but that's all right. Hopefully we got our temperatures under control for the oil, so I won't have some of the hardening up problems that I was having before. So let's just cut a little bit off the end and see. This feels a little bit soft. It's been 24 hours. It feels pretty good. So I just did a regular drop swirl with this. So we'll see what happens on the inside. So I guess a little life update. So I talked about how I was retiring. I think about Christmas time I was talking about that. So yes, I did retire. And I started teaching, my teaching career, right out of college. So I live in Michigan, and I was able to buy 5 years. And so I taught a total of 26 years, plus I had the 5-year credit that I bought. So I was able to retire actually at right before my 50th birthday. So that was really nice because I've been able to spend a lot more time with my granddaughter. And one of my goals was to open an Etsy shop, and I finally did that. So I'm getting my shop stocked. I'll put a link to it down below in this video. You can check it out. It's taking me a little bit to get things stocked and get all the pictures done and all that. Figure out my things I need for shipping. So go check it out. Let me know what you think. So I'm kind of excited to get that started. That was one of my goals for the new year. I gave myself a little bit of time off. I did a lot of babysitting with my granddaughter, and they live down in Indiana, so that's a 4-hour drive for me. So when I go down there, that takes the whole weekend. But my granddaughter's doing well. I have the latest video I should post and show you guys. It's so funny. She has this new little Tykes car that every little kid has, you know, when they get to be 1.5. And she loves Ernie and Bert. So at Christmas time, she got these little Ernie and Bert dolls. And it was so precious. Maybe I'll have to find that clip too.
Who's that? It's Bernardo! Yeah, can you give him squeezes? Oh, you squeezed! So nice. Got that was nice hair. The noses, the eyes, the hair, nose, eyes, hair, oh, eyebrow. You like it?
So fast forward to this spring. She's playing with her little dolls. And she had the Ernie doll in the car, and she's like pretending like she's driving this little Tykes car, and you can tell Ernie was like in her way, and so she turns Ernie upside down, and she says feet, because then Ernie's feet are facing up, and then she like takes Ernie and just ditches him outside on the driveway because he is just cramping her style. It was hilarious.
Bus. Ollie. Beach.
I'll have to show you that. She's so stinking cute. I keep saying that, but that's just how it is. So this turned out really nice. It has a nice swirl in there, although it's kind of subtle because the colors were pretty subtle, which is fine. And the smell is amazing. I love this smell. I'm going to have to make some bath bombs to match. So kind of my goals I have for the Etsy shop is to maybe do some gift boxes. So I'm thinking, you know, birthday box, or do like a certain scent and have the soap and the bath bomb and the scrub and some stuff in there for like gift boxes too. I also like doing the bath bomb cupcakes, which I have one video posted, but I do those quite a bit. I do them quite a bit for baby showers and wedding showers, so I'm hoping to get some like wedding favor type postings up on my Etsy shop too. And I have a lot of soaps coming up with flowers on top, with the piped flowers. and doing some other techniques with that. So yeah, this is really a nice scent for probably men and women. So this is the last cut. All right, there you go. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.